Good morning. I am Pratik, here to present a book review before all of you. Have you ever thought how the society of early humans became a well civilized culture? Or who were Aryas and what was they called Dharma? How Sanskrit arrived in India and what is Vedic era? Well, the answers of all your questions is here in this book, Prarambhik Bharat Ka Parichay or The Introduction to Early India. This book is written by Professor Ram Saran Sharma in the year 2004 and this is the 16th edition in my hand. The author of this book, the Professor Ram Saran Sharma, is the founder of Indian Council of Historical Research and has also been the professor of Patna University. This book is primarily written in Hindi and being translated into various languages. This book contains 370 pages and costs rupees 325. This book is available at all online shopping platforms and various bookstores. Though the language of this book is simple, but I highly recommend to have at least a little prior knowledge of ancient India to understand the main objective of this book more effectively. One more thing I want to tell is to keep the map of Indian subcontinent in mind so you won't get trouble by often looking at the map. So let me explain the hidden treasure of this book. This book consists of 33 chapters describing from the arrival of humans in India till the late 7th century. This book tells us about the social, economical, cultural, political aspects of ancient India. This book exposes all the hidden secrets of ancient Indian culture, science, literature, and contrasts many ideas which we today believe as myths. This book explains the enormity and wide range of ancient Indian science, literature, maths, medicine, and surgery. One can know all about the daily life, politics, and the big wars that happened in early India. One can know all about the roots of Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and their rituals by simply deep diving in this book. I like the part that when the author describes how the Sanskrit arrived in India, he explains how these new words were forming and the people were applying those in their daily life. What were the causes of the rise and set of Sanskrit? How the modern Indian language is formed? Do you have also eager to know all about this? Then read this book. I have seen many people in whose opinion the ancient Indian culture is fully made up of gods, useless rituals, and rubbish. In the opinion of those people, the ancient Indian science and literature is only a dirt of it. I highly recommend this book to those who have this kind of opinion. This book is very useful to those who want to study about ancient India or are having researches on that. This book is like a treasure for those who want to like studying history like me or wanting to make this as their career. And I give this book 4.3 stars out of 5 because no one is perfect in explaining anything, but one can be perfect in explaining a lot. Thank you.